Hey y'all, so today we are in the house and we are up potting some lettuce that I have here. So normally I don't do this inside my house, I do it outside, but it's been raining. Now the sun is out, it's muggy, it's nasty, and I just don't want to be bothered. I prefer to be in the cool air. So today I want to up pot some of my lettuce. So I have some Paris Roma Island lettuce and I'm just going to pop this out. This is one of my 6-cell starter trays. I just pop it out. You see this little piece right here. What I'm gonna do is I already have some soil compacted in here, and I'm gonna add some of my, what do you call that? Fertilizer. And I'm just gonna drop this in here. And when I go back outside, I'll add a little bit more soil around it. And I do add a little bit of the fertilizer around it because what I'm going to do is once it's time for me to put this, I'm going to plant all my salad this year inside of my green stalk. So once it's time for me to up pot this into the green stalk, I want to be able to add it with no problem. So now you see I had more than one seed in here. I'm just gonna pop that off, and then I'm going to just pop this in best I can. Sometimes you have a little bit more soil than you want, so I'm just gonna dig down in here. Okay, and then once I do that, I'm gonna add some of my fertilizer around it, and then I'll add some soil back on top. And that's all I'm doing. So this is a part of my fall garden. I know that everybody is starting their fall garden this year, and I just take my tag and I just sit it here. So I know everybody is, getting their fall garden started. People probably have some summer fatigue because summer has put a whipping on us, it feels like. I mean, it has been a constant battle with our summer crops. I have something down in here that's preventing me from putting this in here. But it's been a constant battle with our summer crops. I'm gonna add some soil here. It's a rock right here. I just take that out. And so because of that battle and all the rain and the pests and everything like that, it's been a battle and it's tough. So I understand that, people have a little bit of that summer fatigue and just ready for this, to pull their summer crops. But in the meantime, you should be starting your fall crops. So that's all that I'm doing here, and I'm just showing you what I'm doing. And so again, this is one, actually I got one more here. And this is all Jericho, Roma Jericho lettuce. So this one looks like looks like 3. So I don't want to mess up my good one here. So I just pop that one off. And then I'm just gonna this one has some good roots on it. So I'll pop that in somewhere. So I'm going to take this one and I'm gonna stick it down in here. And we're going to add some fertilizer, and then I'm just gonna add some soil on top. I am gonna go ahead and plant this one out. I'm gonna stick some fertilizer down in there, and I'm just gonna plant that one. And then I have another one here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna plant, I'm gonna try to plant out, let's see, because sometimes what I've learned is I overplant and then I share with a couple of my friends, some of the stuff that I planted out. But what has happened, what I've learned is sometimes, you know, this stuff dies out quick, and so you be like, oh, I don't need that, and then boom, it's dead. So I'd rather overplant than not have enough. And that's just what I do, what I've been doing. Some people may think it's waste seed. Some people may think it's wasting seeds, but I don't. So, anywho, so now I have, let's see. I'm gonna plant this one. All right. So that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm gonna go ahead and plant out 3 more if I can. If I can't, that's okay. These are so small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just gonna plant out this last one. These I won't worry about. So that will give me a total of 9 lettuce plants. And I'm just gonna make a hole, and again, and this is nothing, my fertilizer is nothing but blood meal, bone meal, worm castings, and some garden tone. That's it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, I have 2 cups left here, but I need more than that because I have another 6 cell trays of lettuce to be planted. But I really just wanted to show y'all what we got going on here, and I hope this helps. This is just me getting my garden. You know, you got to get your garden started if you have not started already. But I hope that you all are getting your garden started, and I hope that everything is going well. We're going to declare and decree an abundance of fall harvest. We're going to be praying over our gardens. We're going to ask God to grow our crops so that we can feed our families this fall and winter. And until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Dirty hands and all.